Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is Coin's bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB update right now. I just want to remove all the drawings at the moment for SHIB, and let's dive back into a clear chart, and let's talk about a continuation pattern of a descending triangle. So let's go back into Google, and I'm gonna write in there continuation patterns and click on the continuation pattern to show you exactly what we are about to do. So basically this is a descending triangle that you see. Okay, so the prices come down, move sideways like a descending triangle, they pop down and they continue lower. Now if you look at SHIB, this is the only pattern that I want to discuss about today in this update, and come straight to the point. So all you do is make that descending line. So yeah, you're gonna have that descending line up here, one touch, second touch, third touch right there, and then after making that descending line as well, you come up with this line at the moment, and you can see that's pretty much a solid descending triangle, a continuation pattern to move even way more lower. So come out of there, pop out, and you're looking for a technical target to go from the top here to the bottom right there, and this is where you're popping out for SHIB, and we are talking about a new target which is going to be 629, and that's going to be a drop of nearly from there to there. You're talking about a 26% dump to the downside, and it doesn't really stop there because there is another technical target as well to come down all the way to 400 or 390. So these are two targets that I'm really looking forward to. So one is going to be 629, the other one is going to be 389, and that's pretty much it for this update on SHIB at the moment. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.